Okay, so hello, it's Carl Pereira from more-selfesteem.com once again, and today I'm wearing my Google shirt. No comments about that. Okay, let's continue with today's topic. I'm going to make a series of videos now over the next week or two, and in these videos I'm going to talk about different techniques, different strategies that you can use, different tools that you can use to improve yourself in terms of self-esteem, self-confidence, whatever it is you need to change about yourself, basically, depression, whatever, basically to develop a positive mindset. What kind of strategies, what kind of techniques can you use? In previous videos we've gone into specifics of self-esteem, self-confidence and so on in terms of psychology. This time I'm going to do a series of videos which are hopefully going to be practical. But I do ask you to please stay to the end of the video, because at the end of the video I will give you a quick review of a tool that I use and I recommend that you can download for free for 30 days, so do stay for that. Okay, so what I'd like to start with today is meditation. In the further videos that will come over the next week or two, maybe even 3 weeks, let's see how it goes, I'll be covering other tools, other techniques and strategies that you can use to improve yourself. But today let's focus on meditation. So in today's video I'd like to talk about why meditation, how meditation, how do you do it. I'd like to mention some research that is currently being done on meditation, because there is a lot of evidence that actually shows that meditation really does work. So it's something that you really should try. And then finally I'm going to review an app which I personally use every single day. Takes me about 10 minutes every day, and so I'll quickly tell you about that, and I will also put the links to the app in the description below, and also I'll put a link to the research being done currently by Harvard University into the effects of meditation on depression. Okay, so there are many tools that you can use to improve yourself, for personal development. Obviously reading books and surfing on the internet is not everything. There are a lot of practical techniques which you can use by yourself at home, whenever you feel the need. So in the next few videos we're going to talk about it, but today let's focus on meditation. So why meditation? Well, meditation has been used all over the world in a variety of cultures for hundreds if not thousands of years, so it has a big history. I don't know if you've actually tried meditation before. Some people might be thinking, well, it's a bit of a spooky thing or a bit of a strange thing, but no, it's quite natural and straightforward. I personally have had a number of abortive attempts at doing meditation. It's basically about quietening your mind and just spending 10 minutes, 15 minutes of quiet time without thinking and just getting in touch with yourself, really. Now that sounds all very new age-ish, but there is a lot of science behind this. Okay, so it really does seem to work. We'll also look at some research which is being done currently in a moment. So one reason why you should consider using it is because it is backed up by a lot of evidence, and personally speaking, I've used it a number of times. Like I said, with various amounts of success, but I've always found it has reduced my level of stress if I kept at it. The problem is keeping at it. So that's another reason why we'll look at this app which will actually get you meditating regularly. Okay, so how do you meditate? Well, meditating is quite simple. It's basically relaxing your mind and switching off. But you need something to help you switch off. So this is why we have a number of guided meditations. And I do recommend that you try these guided meditations. With guided meditations, somebody with a really nice voice, hypnotizing voice, whatever. I don't want to confuse things with hypnotism, but they just relax you and put you in the right frame of mind and get you thinking. So a guided meditation will actually not just quieten your mind, but it will put in thoughts which are helpful for healing. So guided meditation is a terrific thing. Basically, you just listen to music, or you just go to a quiet place and you meditate. There are different methods. Guided meditation, you just follow the instructions of the person who's done the audio, and you can download these audios. Very, very helpful. So I believe that in this mad time that we live in, you do need to actually quieten your thoughts down. I know that sometimes I get obsessive, or I get a problem to solve and I'm just on it, and I just really exhaust myself. And sometimes I need to just slow down, switch off, and meditation is perfect for that. Okay, so I did mention some research. So some research actually is ongoing right now. In addition to all the other research that you can find if you do a search on Google. I'm not being paid by Google, of course, but I just wore my Google shirt. My son used to work there. Okay, so this research has been done over many years into the effects of meditation, but this current research is being done at Harvard University, and there are a number of people there working on this, and specifically they're studying its effects into depression, and they're actually measured. They actually have discovered that it actually changes the brain in a positive way, which can possibly impact depression. One person, as you'll see in the link, if you actually look at the link below to the research and have a look at that article, you'll see that it is an effective treatment, and meditation actually can count as another alternative treatment apart from medicine, or I'm not saying that medicine is not useful. I've used it myself before. When I experienced depression before, and I did have serious depression for a couple of years, many years back now, I did get into depression. I did get into meditation a little bit, basically listening to soothing music, relaxing music, and trying to switch off. Self-hypnosis and such really helped me. So from personal experience, I can say that meditation does help, but these people are doing actual statistics and research into this right now, and they're finding that it is a valid alternative treatment. They're not saying that it's better than any other treatment, they're just saying it's an additional strategy which you can use. Okay, so the final thing on this video before I close today is I've talked about meditation, why you should do it, and how effective it is, and the current research which is being done. I always had a problem where if I tried meditation, I either got interrupted or, I just couldn't stick to it. What you really need to do is you really need to do, say, 10 minutes every day. And there's a perfect app I've discovered, and I have been using now for about a month with quite a bit of success personally. It's really helped me to reduce my stress levels and to solve, to really transform the way that I think, because I really do think it helps with your relationships, and it helps you to communicate better and basically to become a more relaxed, more at ease person, and also to become more positive. All good things, right? So this app I downloaded onto my phone, and I've actually got myself, as I actually know the people who developed this app. The app is called Meditopia, and it is available in languages all over the world. You basically download it onto your phone. I've got it on my iPhone, and you open it up, 10 minutes, for a guided meditation. So it's mindfulness. So they go through a kind of relaxation. There's a girl on there, and she really, really has an effective voice, a wonderful speaking voice, and it really, really, her voice actually soothes you and immediately gets you into a relaxed frame of mind. I also noticed that on my phone every morning, when I switch my phone on first thing in the morning, an inspirational message pops up on my phone, which is quite nice, which reminds you to think in a certain way or to do something, and it kind of focuses you on the day for a certain positive way of thinking or a change that you can make ever so easily. So I found that to be quite helpful too. Now, when you go to the app and in the link below, click the link below, and I'll explain that you can actually get, this is exclusive, this is special, you can actually get a 30-day free trial. So sign up for 30 days. If I was you, I'd just go click the link, sign up for 30 days, and even if you don't want to continue after the 30-day period, and it is a very reasonable price that you can pay to have the app, but even if you don't want to, try it and use it for 30 days totally free. And what you'll find on your phone is that you can access these daily motivations, and each one is focusing on a different thing. Let's say some of them are focused on concentration, or some of them are focused on being happy with your body, or using your talents, being able to learn more effectively, accepting yourself. Each one has a different focus, a different topic. So there are a number of those that you can do. Of course, you can do more than one in a day, but I just find I do one of those daily meditations each day, and it's really, really been helpful. Meditopia is an amazing thing, even if you want like a 1 minute or a 2 minute quick stress-free break. Let's say you're working and you just want to take a quick break and time off. You could just put your headphones in, pop the app on, and listen to a 2-minute meditation. I mean, it's absolutely fantastic app, and I do recommend you click the link below and try it. So I think I'm going to leave it there. I'm not going to go into too much depth. Also check out the link with the research from Harvard University. Meditation is just one of many tools or strategies that you can use that I'm going to show you over the next few videos. So please do keep watching my channel. Please go and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video, which is going to cover another strategy. I'm not sure exactly which one now, but I've got a bunch of strategies that I want to share with you, all equally helpful. So thank you for listening. It was great having you here today, and see you next time. Bye.